cracking day here in March. So we've had a move. So it was over there, in that spot there, which is where we got stuck, and we've got that out from there. And now if I just spin the car over here, so we haven't moved very far, but as you can see we've got moved the mats as well that we used the other day. Got those in place so we don't hopefully get stuck again. That should be easier to get out. And now we've got the tracker on board. I put as much as I can in. We've got some more coming, and we'll, security wise, and we'll put that within this video as soon as we get it. So for now that's done. We obviously didn't film him fitting it for security reasons, but rest assured that's now got a tracker in, so I can see exactly where it's gone if should anybody decide to nick it. Hopefully it won't, because it's got an immobiliser on it as well, so they'll take a little bit of time to get it moved, but no doubt somebody would have a go, but hopefully we've got enough in place to secure it. Anyway, that's enough for now. Next stage is putting more security on. It is Saturday the 21st of March, and it is absolutely cracking outside. It's 20 past 1 and 13 degrees, but mind you, if you get in the shade it's chilly, but out when you're out in the sun, the sun's getting higher in the sky, and it does feel a lot warmer now. It's lovely. We need more of this. See, there's one or two motorhomes and caravans out on the roads. About 15 miles away from us is Hunstanton from King's Lynn. And we're now heading back to the motorhome. Can't keep away. And so we had the Thatcham tracker put on in the week. I then got a stinking sore throat. It's still a bit brusky now, but getting a lot better than what it was. So this time we're going to put more security on, and this time it's going to be in the form of Vanguardian. I saw these on YouTube, people put these on, and they look pretty good, so interesting to see what they come out like. But from what I've seen, people can walk up to the motorhome, it's not going to cause a problem. You can be in the motorhome walking about, even thumping about from what I've seen in one of the videos, and it doesn't affect them. But as soon as you touch the walls of the motorhome, it sets the alarms off. So that pleased the wife. She's very much for security. Even when she's in the house, she always locks all the doors. She doesn't like anything being left open, just in case there's somebody out there that thinks they can just wander in and help themselves, as they do. So we're going to head on to the motorhome and see if we can get these Vanguardians installed. Coming back, there was a queue of cars going, and there still is along here, if you see. I'll pick that up on this camera. Hope your weather's equally as nice. Perhaps you can leave comments for us. Let us know where you are, and what the weather's like where you are. I think I did say it's 13 degrees here today at 20 past 1. They're not over hot. Like I say, you get in the shade, that will be chilly, but direct sunlight, it is very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so I've got all the Vanguard stuff in Vanguardian, I should say, in the box here. I'm going to go through this and start putting them on the vehicle. What I'm going to do is put one on each of the front doors. one on each of the garage doors, and then probably one round the back. So we'll carry on and put these up and see how they go. So in the box we've got two sorts. We've got the double ones, which cover a bigger area, and the smaller ones. Also there's two speakers in this one, so it makes it even louder, and the single one in this one for smaller areas, which we'll put on both the doors of the cab. Make sure that's nice and clean first. The right way and the wrong way, but the difference is looking at that. I bet there will be good. There is a tool that needs to do it. Now going to go down the motorhome. I'll take it with me. So we're going to put one on the garage. Go on there. Now, the thing is with these is getting them level. I think that's near enough. You're at an angle, so you looks on the one to you, but he said you should do this for about 2 minutes. Once it's stuck, isn't it? Hey ho, that's a couple of minutes I think. Now we're going to go around the other side. There we go, that's another one in place. We'll put the cover on that one. Yay! First time. Another one round the other side. That's that one on, and one for the front cab door. think we got it right this time. And that cover on there, and we're good. Now I've got to read up how to set it, and we'll give it a go. So you can see we need one for on here as well, and also I'm going to put one on the back here, just so that nobody nicks the camera there and the spare wheel which is in there. Alright, so we've done it. We've got one of these remotes here. It's got a slide cover on it so you don't accidentally set it off. So there is an arm button, and we'll press that one. You hear it bleep, say that it's received, and then there'll be another one to say that it's now set. And now if we go to Motorhome, I can go all along here. Here it's not going to cause a problem. I can come right up to the motorhome, and you can see it's not setting it off. But as soon as we touch the motorhome, I think that's going to wake somebody up, don't you? So there we go, we've got a bit more security on the motorhome, and hopefully that will keep us safe when we're out and about. So there we are, we're virtually at an end of another weekend, and we've been doing some bits and pieces around the motorhome. We've put some security in this week, as we've been through, and now we've just had a cup of coffee in our motorhome.
Yay!
Still in the lockup, mind you. Look who I've got with me, it's Linda.
Hi! Hi everyone!
What have we done? We've put the Vanguardian all around, and that works really well. Cool, that's loud. So if anybody should come to the motorhome while we're in it, or away from it even, that will squeal at them if they go and touch the motorhomes. But definitely while we're in it, we want to be secure inside our motorhome, so we're pleased about that. Now, what I thought of today is, oh, she's gone. So what I thought I'd do today, because we're nosy people, we always like to know what other people have got. So what I thought I'd do is go through some of the stuff that I've got. And for a start is this one, which I've been using in the videos so far. This is the Insta360. So you put just your mobile phone on that one, and whizzles around and whatever, so you can lock it onto yourself. Also move it manually around with the joystick in here, so that comes in very useful, and it shuts itself off when you fold it up. So that's what we're using there. Going back a bit, this I've had for quite a few years, the Panasonic camcorder. The good thing about this is it's got a very long optical zoom on it, so if you wanted to get things further away, then and keep them still crystal clear, that's the one for that. So we'll be using that a bit. For sound, although I'm not using it on this, we're filming this on the Gopro, so I'm using the sound direct from that one on this because we're indoors. But if we're going out and about, then I'll be using these, the DJI microphones. These are got two of them in the pack, and you've got stereo on it, so you can sort of, when you put it to editing, you can have one on one channel, one on another, if you want to do that sort of thing. Then for those high flying stuff, there's the DJI Mini 5, which a lot of people are raving about now. This is the second one I had. The first one I crashed within a couple of weeks, I think it was, which I weren't too happy about because there was a big heap of muck. It was on the N, which should be able to do the sensors and avoid it, but it didn't. I wrote to DJI, and they said, well, send it back to us, we'll have a look at it, and they sent me a brand new one out. So, good on them, DJI. very good. And that was those microphones, DJI as well. And I got the combo pack with that, so we've got the extra batteries and the bag with it as well. Was it RC2, I think that is, controller. I've also got, what I did find is in bright weather you can't see the screen very well, so I did get this cover from Amazon. That makes it easier to see the screen when it's bright on you, and also means you don't have to keep taking those very delicate joysticks off. Hopefully that will stop them from getting broken. There we go, so that's that. And what else do you get in there? You get some extra lenses and some spare propeller blades. So yeah, that's all the bits and pieces for doing the recording. What I'm filming on here is the GoPro with an added cover with extra microphone on it, so it picks up a lot better. So that's what we'll be recording on. I've also got down here a extra power bank, if I can get it in focus. There we go, extra power bank there for like today, where we're just sitting on where the motorhome storage, and that is there for making a cup of coffee, which we've just boiled up the kettle over there. Through that's made a lovely cup of coffee. So there we go, that's it for this weekend, and have a good week. Next one that we'll be doing is in a couple of weeks time, when we're hopefully going away. We'll do some footage from there. Have a good week. Cheers.